love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always...
Hi friends, so today is chapter 77 in the entire Python, and in the NumPy, this is chapter 36. We covered about the, we are in the NumPy functions. We finished all those distributions. Thankfully, we finished them. And then we started the functions. We saw what the user-defined function is. And in the last lecture, we saw about summation. So the summation is like the addition, and we saw the difference also. So in this lecture, we'll be seeing products. So product is very similar to that of multiplication, but we'll be seeing in depth what this product is. So this is lesson 36 in NumPy, user-defined function and products. So in order to find a product, if product is just like multiplication, like 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, like that. So, if you want to find the elements in an array, you have to use prod, open and close parenthesis. Have you heard of production? So like that prod, in the IT term production, we say prod. So this is prod, open and close parenthesis. This is the function. All right. So once we know the function, like always, we actually run a code and we can actually test it. So I'm going to take this code. I'm going to put this in my notepad. So I'm going to import my NumPy as MP, but right now we should be knowing this. And this is a single dimensional array. So this numpy.array 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I say np.prod of this array, of this entire thing. So what I'm actually telling is, this is going to come as 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. So this print x should be giving you 24. See, exactly it gave you 24. Now, this is a single dimensional array, and we can also do the same for double dimensional array. All right. So if you want to do for a double dimensional array, I think it did not copy it properly. Yeah, it did not copy properly. So I can actually copy this. So I can paste it here. So in a double dimensional array, this is like the same 24, and this will be like 30, 210, and 200 times this thing. So, and then finally, I'm doing this 24 times this. Okay. So whatever, this is like 30, 210. So this will be like 1680. So 24 times 1680 is what we are going to be seeing. So let's actually try this. Okay. So this actually gives me a value of 40,310. Now what I can do is, we can actually take this and we can actually put this here, and I can actually remove this just to say what is this thing, and I can take this and then I can print this. So this is 30, 210. This is a 1680 I was actually telling you. So this 1680 times this 1680 times my 24. What I can also do this here is, I can take this, I can put it here, and then I can say 1680 comma 24, and I can actually print this. See, this is the 4320 which actually came here. Now does it make sense? All right. Now product over an axis, if you specify axis equals 1, the NumPy will return the product of each array. Now let's actually see this. Okay, let's actually take this and let's actually see this, and let's actually see what is actually happening. As the same thing, we do this product, which is this 40, and then I say axis 1, and then I say print me the new array. So what does it give me? It gives me the sum of this and the sum of this. This is exactly what I was actually telling you. All right. So this is what axis 1 does. Now, if you want to do a cumulative, a cumulative is basically if we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 6, 24. Okay, so that is how it actually does. If you want to do a partial sum with this thing, it's called cumulative prod. Okay, so in this cumulative prod, so let's actually take a cumulative prod and let's actually do this. Okay, in this cumulative prod, I have 30, the same this thing. So I say cumulative prod of this array and then I say print of this. So what does it give me? Let me actually see the answer. This gives me 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210 and this is 160. So 5, 30, 210, 160. This is what the cumulative, the cum prod as compared to prod does to us. Alright, see the difference? Alright friends, I trust you have actually seen my lecture of in products, understood the same and probably liked it. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers and thank you.